Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some interesting features and the drawing is here. We start by creating this sweep by using this contour and the dimensions from here. You see, this is the mid curve and we can start it from here, from this. So we use the center point, which will be at the intersection of this line with this line. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new. This is the plane, and we draw a rectangle with dimensions 20 tab 45. We add some lines and we make this as symmetrical by using the projection of the y-axis. We make this construction and we apply mirror for these three lines about this axis. Okay. Other dimensions are 7 and 30, but this must be placed with the midpoint on the midpoint of the large rectangle. We have a fully constrained sketch, but I like to use split to this tool because I apply construction for these two lines. Now we have that section. Finished sketch. Another sketch is in this plane. We start from the center point, as I said. We go horizontal, press the left button, go somewhere here, then tangent, go back, and here. Dimensions are 45 for the center of this, radius 35, 90 for this radius 30, distance of 155, and 110, 120. Let's apply them. This is 35. Everything is scaled. This is 30. The distance between these 2 points is 45. This is 90 from the center point. then 155. 155 minus 22.5. This point is placed. Oh, I made a mistake. This is 110 and this is 90. Fully constrained sketch. Now we apply sweep about this curve. You see here 155 minus 22.5 because we use this and not the bottom line. Good. Next is this cylinder with a diameter of 50, length or height of 50, and it is placed in the center point, but starting from here. Good. We use this plane. We draw a rectangle. This rectangle, we project this line. We make coincident this line with this point. I hope this is on the center point. It is not. I place it on the center point. I make this line as a center line and dimensions 50, 50, 50 and 50 the diameter. Finish sketch. Revolve. Okay. Another feature is this small cylinder with diameter of 20 at a distance of 35. We create a new plane based on this plane at a distance of 35. Then we create that circle somewhere, diameter of 20, on the same vertical, but Z is vertical, so I select this to place the two, and the distance of 26 from the bottom. 26. Finish sketch, hide the plane, and apply extrude to the part. Okay. Now we can create the hole of 38 on 42. Hole, face, center, not threaded, on a distance, diameter of 38, depth of 42, diameter of 38, and flat end. Okay. This cylinder has thread of metric 12, so we use hole, threaded, isometric profile, 12, and normal end, not flat end, 2, and we select this surface, but also selecting this circle, this face, and now we have what we want to have. Yes, good. Now the flange, this flange. Dimensions are, this is 45, then 90, radius 11, and the thickness, the difference between these two. We select this face for a new sketch. The sketch contains these two lines. We start from the end of one with a line, press the left button, go down and to this point, then tangent here, then equal the two. Now they are symmetrical. Good. Then we apply radius of 11, and we apply project geometry for the y-axis. I want it to be construction, so I project as construction line. Then I disable construction. Mirror of 3 entities about that axis. Then the distance of 90 between these 2 points. Finish sketch, extrude this and this, difference between 120 minus 110. Okay. Now we apply this cut, radius 22 and depth of 4 millimeters. I select this face, I project the center, I apply a circle with the radius, you see, not diameter but radius is here, yes, of 22. Finish sketch, extrude 4 millimeters as a cut. Then 2 holes of metric 14. Hole, face, center, metric 14, not 12, through the part. Okay. We apply mirror for the last 2 features about this plane. Okay. Now we have the part. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. It is exactly the same. Cancel, we keep the former value. Good. Now we select the material, the steel wrote, the color is olive green, view shaded, and we select some faces to be machined. I press the shift key on the keyboard to select them, and then steel polished. Let's compare the two. You don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.